What is your opinion? Do you think each artist, each creative person should set their own limits, or should what should how should the role of government and individual artists' own limits be kind of balanced?
Institutional censorship, I'm not a great advocate of it. I think, but creating, that's why I consider journalism a very important part of our society, because of code of conduct is subconscious, and more debates happen open. You start, जिसे आचार संहिता बोलते हैं, वो कैसे बनती है, वो आपके सबकॉन्शियस में धीरे धीरे एक फॉर्म अप होता है, फिल्टर बनता है कि इस दुनिया में रहने के लिए, समाज में रहने के लिए, I need to exercise these filters. Now they can't be a conscious filter. If you have a conscious filter, you will be compromising self-expression. Then every time somebody writes something, we'll be cross-checking it with his own filter and saying, is it adhering to that or not? I don't think that's fair to art. I think an atmosphere which rejects certain things, and of course the rules will be broken at times, and you will realize that this is not right. And as a result, while we talking this, and I also write songs, so I can tell you a lot of people talk about how language in songwriting is going, where is it going? And they keep asking me that use of galis and all those things is right or not. Now there's nothing right or wrong. The fact is, the society decides what kind of language it wants to speak. तहजीब क्या है? तहजीब तो धीरे धीरे हम लोग ही शेप करते हैं. हम लोग तो इंसान पहले जानवर था, धीरे धीरे उसने तहजीब बनाई. Language कहाँ से? Language भी धीरे धीरे I keep telling all the writers that if you can't embellish it, you have no sort of right to spoil it, because when it gets spoiled, it hurts. आप सुनने में आपको पता लग जाता है. Or I do not buy this that to connect with youth and so-called irreverence, you have to all the time use abusive words. I have all the young Rang De Basanti songs I wrote, whether it's Masti Ki Pathshala, they are all great fun songs. Even in this, Masno Ka Jund is a great fun song. You can always write funny stuff, you can always write stuff which is irreverent, and yet, stay in the tehzeeb of language. That's also created, that's also sort of worked hard at. So I think that it's a collective art. It can't be said either or. I don't think there's an either or there's a censorship will decide, okay, अब तो इसमें ये बोल दिया, ये खराब हो गया. Sometimes the intent of the scene is so pure, but the portrayal is what is people are looking at and saying, but if you look at the intent of that, it's actually a great message out there. Probably that's required. I believe in intent.